I know you work long hours. Sometimes your lunch is a salad at your desk while you're working, and your dinner is an oat milk latte along with the sandwich at the Starbucks, or whatever's left over in the fridge. Because who has the time to track the 10K steps and meal prep every weekend? I've been there. I was working a hardcore finance job from 9 a.m. to midnight every day, including Saturdays. The only foods I ate was salads from Sweet Green and Pret when I was in the US, and Kitchen Garden and Bombay salad when I was in Bombay. And I was always on the go. Despite eating only salads, I was still gaining weight. I gained 7 kilos in just 6 months. I finally found a way to lose 10 kilos in 6 months without obsessing over calories, macros, or tracking my 10K steps, and no meal prep either. And now I teach busy women like you do the same. Hello, I'm Simran Valecha, a weight loss coach, and I've lost over 10 kilos in 6 months myself. I work alongside my mom, an ACE certified nutritionist, and together we've helped over 5,000 women globally lose 2 to 3 kilos a month without giving up their favorite foods, while eating out at restaurants, and while managing their busy lives. My customized diet plan is only rupees 3499 and it fits your lifestyle. It includes your roti or your rice and your cooked vegetables, which can be eaten in Indian, Asian, Mexican, Thai, or Mediterranean form. It has options for takeout, and it gives you the flexibility to eat at home or out at a restaurant without any guilt or confusion. We make the plan together to ensure it's something that you can follow for a lifetime, just like that IKEA table you built for yourself and now you never want to throw it out. Except this one is a lot cheaper and requires a lot less effort than building that IKEA table. Make sure you hit that subscribe button if you're tired of overcomplicated diets and confusion over what to do to actually lose weight. So, the first hack I learned was always eat sitting down, no desks allowed. There's a Harvard research that shows that eating distracted, especially while working, actually leads to poor digestion and overeating. When you don't give your brain the cue that you actually started and finished eating, there's a higher likelihood that you'll snack later. One of my clients, Shruti, a management consultant in Singapore, used to eat during her Zoom calls. Once, we just asked her to take 12 minutes out of her work, block it in the calendar, and to eat without her laptop. Within a week, she realized that she was feeling fuller faster and didn't feel the need to grab that post work cookie. I know you're thinking in your head right now that I don't have the time to cook or even eat properly. The truth is, you may not need time to cook, but you definitely need to take out some time to eat without working, even if it's just 12 minutes. Now, on to hack number two, eat in the same dish every day. When you start eating from the same plate, bowl, or dabba, you subconsciously start controlling your portions without even needing a scale. Ria, a VP at an ad agency, used to mindlessly overeat just because she was eating clean. We got her to switch to a small katori, the same every day, for her rice and her veggies, and within 6 weeks, she had lost 2 inches of her waist. So, if you're someone who's thought of joining a diet plan but always said, I don't really want to weigh my food, good, because you don't have to do that in my program or in these 7 hacks to actually see results. Now, imagine if your plate itself became the portion control. Let's talk about the order of which we eat in to ensure that you can actually maintain those portions without feeling hungry after. The third hack is eat in the same sequence every day. Fiber and protein first before you eat your carbs. Multiple studies, including one from Cornell, shows that eating protein and fiber before you eat your carbs blunts your blood sugar spikes by up to 30%. That means fewer cravings, more energy, and less belly fat storage. Priya, a tech consultant in Dubai, used to start all her meals with roti first. Now she eats her dal and bhindi first, and within 2 months, she's lost more than 5 kilos. And her sugar crashes have gone. She told me that she used to get cravings all the time before she started my diet program. But once she joined and learned about the order of eating, she realized that it's not just about willpower to fix the cravings. It's all about this better order. Now, something I hear all the time and used to say it myself as well. I don't have time to cook these fancy meals or even chop my vegetables to make a salad to eat before my meal. The next tip will help you lose weight even if you have packaged foods in your snack drawer. But before we proceed, make sure you hit that like and subscribe button so that the YouTube algorithm gods can share this video with those who are also trying to lose weight like you. Hack number 4 is don't keep healthy snacks at your desk. A study from the University of Illinois found that people who keep healthy snacks at their desks, like nuts, protein bars, end up eating 300 calories more than those who don't keep healthy snacks at their desk. Arushi, an investment banking analyst in New York, thought that almonds were her savior, but a handful here and there became over 600 calories a day. Now, she still keeps all of her snacks in her drawer, but only reaches for them when she's actually hungry. We plan out her mid morning, mid evening, and pre dinner snacks, so she rarely gets those hunger pangs and is not sure what to eat and then only opens that snack drawer. So, if you're thinking, I'm eating clean but nothing's changing, just know that eating clean and healthy doesn't mean that they have zero calories. And no, I'm not saying that you can't enjoy your chips or your chocolate while losing weight, because the next hack is all about addition, not restriction. The fifth hack is use the add, not delete method. Studies in nutritional psychology show that adding one healthy habit to your lifestyle is more sustainable than trying to delete three. Add water, add protein, add one fruit. Soumya, a project manager at Deloitte, didn't want to cut out sugar. Instead, we added 2 liters of water and 20 grams of protein to her daily diet. Guess what? Her sugar cravings vanished on their own. So, if you haven't signed up to a diet program that will give you a clear path to actually lose weight this year, because you can't give up on sugar, just know that you don't have to give up on sugar to actually see results. Hack number 6, use your restaurant menus to your advantage. A behavioral study from Stanford showed that giving people pre selected healthy options increased their compliance by 42%. Devika, a lawyer working 12-hour shifts in Mumbai, was eating approximately 20 meals a week from outside. We picked 2 meals for her at her go to restaurants, the Subway's Egg White Bowl and McDonald's Aloo Tikki burger without the bun. Then, when she was at the restaurant ordering, she really didn't have to think what she wanted. Instead of getting stuck on I eat out all the time so I can't really follow a diet, let's pick your defaults and move on and actually get results. Still feel like your cravings are controlling you? This next hack helped one of my most emotional eaters take her power back, and it just might be the one mindset shift you need. Hack number 7, change the way you view your food. A study conducted by Harvard showed that people who viewed their food as fuel versus reward were 60% more likely to stick to their long term weight loss. Tanya, a newlywed IT professional in Bangalore, used to view her food as a reward after her long, stressful day. We changed the narrative and told her to think of it as nourishment for the next day. And with this, she finally stopped overeating at night. So, when you say food is my comfort, I agree with you. But be aware that food can be your comfort without hurting your body. These hacks aren't about being perfect, they're about being consistent. And that's exactly what my customized diet plan for rupees 3499 does for you. It helps you to lose 2 to 3 kilos a month without quitting carbs, your roti, your rice, your favorite food at a restaurant, or your networking drinks with your team and boss. Now, I'm going to share the exact plan you need to follow for the next 30 days to lose 2 to 3 kilos. But before I do that, make sure you hit that subscribe button. So, here are all the 7 hacks that we've laid out that you need to follow in the next 30 days. Sit and eat your meal, not at your desk while working. Use the same plate daily. Follow the order: protein and fiber before you eat carbs. Keep your snacks in a drawer but plan all your snacks beforehand. Add one good habit to your life instead of cutting out 5. Create restaurant defaults. Reframe food as fuel and not reward. These aren't just tips. This is the blueprint for how real working women are actually losing inches without tracking their food or giving up on their social life. Want a meal plan that actually implements these 7 hacks into your lifestyle? Make sure you check out the details of my plan in the description below. If you subscribe to my channel, see you next week with some more sustainable science-backed weight loss tips. Bye.